Okay, South versus Bollywood. Tell me क्या difference है?
The difference I have particularly noticed is South की फिल्में ज़्यादातर अपनी अपने जोग्राफिकल एरिया के बारे में और जो वहाँ पहले हुआ है, जो हो रहा है, जो हो सकता है, उसके उस टाइप के स्टोरीज के बारे में फिल्में बनाते हैं.
आसपास जो हो रहा है उसकी बात.
हाँ, they are always, I feel like their content, I think right now is translating globally primarily because they are choosing to tell rooted stories. And also their strategy, they don't work from the standpoint of choosing, they're not trying, their audience is not certain segment in a certain segment of people. They go for basic human emotions like माँ बाप का प्यार, माँ बाप का रिवेंज, भाई का रिवेंज, बहन का रिवेंज, बेटे का रिवेंज, और stories that are basic human emotions. So they tend to tell many more stories about basic human emotions through different storytelling formats. And they are also concerned about, they are very much concerned about putting their perspective the way it is. They're not trying to service different kinds of people. They're trying to only tell what they feel fully. And I feel like that has really worked, I think, for the South. And I feel like that's why so many of their films are translating, regardless of it sometimes not being dubbed in different languages. Sometimes people are still watching Tamil and Telugu films, even if they are not dubbed. I know so many people who comment, हमने film Telugu में ही देखी है, हमने film Tamil में ही देखी. Because it still kind of communicates. उसका इमोशनल लेवल इतना स्ट्रांग होता है ना कि आपको वो महसूस नहीं होता कि अरे ये भाषा इसने बोला क्या मुझे समझ में नहीं, क्योंकि उसके बोलने से आपको मतलब नहीं है. आप जो देख रहे हो आपको वैसे ही इतना फील करा रहा है कि आपको you're not concerned about the smaller the specifics. Versus I feel like Hindi has always created, I mean I have been inspired by Hindi cinema, and that's why I became an actor. But I feel like sometimes when you try to create work which is for everybody's consumption, I feel उसमें थोड़ी खिचड़ी पक जाती है. So, and the films, if you notice, which are doing well or have done well and have had a profound impact, they have been about human emotions. It's not been about specific segments of the audience.
जैसे recent time example दो.
Recent time example would be Lapata Ladies. I don't know if it did well on the box office though, but I think it's something that's really spoken about because I feel like it's an amazing movie. I loved it a lot. If you talk about commercial successes, I think Stree, it's literally like...
Right now it's like making